Let's be honest, the economy can feel like a roller coaster sometimes. Ups, downs, and unexpected twists and turns can leave you feeling queasy about your finances. But here's the thing, you don't have to feel powerless. Just like you wouldn't hop on a roller coaster without a safety harness, you shouldn't navigate the economy without a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you track where your money is going, so you can make smart decisions about spending and saving. And when the economic ground feels shaky, a well-crafted budget is your anchor, providing stability and peace of mind. Don't let the fear of uncertainty paralyze you. Take control of your finances and learn how to budget effectively, even when the economy throws curveballs your way. Your future self will thank you. Remember, knowledge is power. Once you understand the fundamentals of budgeting, you can weather any economic storm. So buckle up and get ready to take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Thank you. Ever feel like your money disappears faster than you earn it? That's where tracking your income and expenses comes in. It's like mapping out your financial journey. Start by listing all your sources of income, your salary, side hustles, or any other money coming in. Then, track your expenses. Every dollar that leaves your wallet needs to be accounted for. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app, whatever works best for you. Seeing where your money goes is eye-opening. You'll quickly identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This clarity empowers you to make informed financial decisions, regardless of what the economy throws your way. Inflation and interest rates. These terms can sound intimidating, but understanding them is key to protecting your hard-earned money. Simply put, inflation is the gradual increase in prices over time. It means your money buys less today than it did yesterday. Interest rates, on the other hand, determine how much you earn on your savings or pay on your debts. When inflation rises, your expenses go up, and your savings can lose value. Interest rate hikes can make borrowing more expensive and can impact your investments. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but knowledge is your best defense. By understanding these economic forces, you can adjust your budget accordingly. Look for ways to reduce spending in areas affected by inflation. Explore investment options that outpace inflation and consider refinancing debts to secure lower interest rates. Remember, you have the power to make smart choices that protect and grow your wealth. Section 4. Building a flexible budget. Rolling with the punches. In a constantly changing economy, rigidity is not your friend. Your budget needs to be as adaptable as you are. That's where a flexible budget comes in handy. The 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs like housing, food, and transportation, 30% to wants such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. But remember, this is just a guideline. Life throws curveballs, and your budget should be able to handle them. If you experience a sudden job loss or a medical emergency, be prepared to adjust your spending accordingly. Similarly, if you get a raise or bonus, revisit your budget and allocate the extra funds wisely. A flexible budget empowers you to adapt to changing circumstances without derailing your financial goals. Section 5. Supercharging your savings. Simple steps, big impact. Saving money shouldn't feel like a punishment. It's about building a secure future for yourself. And guess what? It's easier than you think. Start by automating your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your income goes directly into a savings account each month. You can also try the round-up method, where you round up each purchase to the nearest dollar and transfer the difference to your savings. Look for ways to reduce everyday expenses. Consider negotiating lower rates on your bills, cooking at home more often, or finding free or low-cost entertainment options. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.